Good afternoon, my dear colleagues. Here, I'd like to today wanted to discuss regarding the NAC preparation. Um, there is one folder, in data drive, which has been created to upload our information uh, regarding NAC. So this is the folder, CSC NAC Reassessment 2021 plus. If you go here, you can find two folders in it again. This is the folder in which we are going to upload new data, right? Like if I click, I can see, you can see criteria one in charge. So I have created criteria one folder. Similarly, the other criteria heads have to create their respective folders here. And this criteria folder is covering is having about three folders again. Further, you can see one is covering letter, DVV, and PDF. So the way in which you have to prepare our data is as per the guidelines given from the central coordinator. You need to have a covering letter like this. So, for example, 1.1 extended, B and Tech data. This is the letterhead which I probably share with you again, having this head of CSCD at the left bottom. You can see here the number of courses that are being offered by our department across all the programs, that is BE and MTech, are mentioned in this particular table. You can see for BE, year-wise, in the reverse order, we are giving the data from 2020-21, 19-20 till up to 2016-17. Okay, so what are the number of courses that are being offered here in BE and MTech that are mentioned here? Now the index for this particular 1.1 extent, you can see carrying about 5 fields here. The first field, you can see list of courses offered in the college for each program. Here, when I click, right, when I click this, you can see this particular Excel sheet is going to be opened, which is already uploaded in that particular drive in the DVV folder of the same, right? So this is that folder. You can see all the 5 years data from 2021 till up to 16-17 are listed out of both the programs B and MTech here. Fine. Then the next one, here you can see university notification orders by competent authority showing list of personnel. So this one is the syllabus here. These are the PDF information which I have already uploaded in the PDF folder, right? You can see here. This is the criteria one in that PDF. In that criteria 1.1, I have created one folder. These are the tasks which are given, which I have taken as a responsibility to carry. So I have created a folder of the same, and then that I have put. You can see here. These are the different folders that I have created with respect to the different links that I have mentioned in the particular index, which carries that respective information. So these links I have actually shared there, right? So when I click here, probably I'll go to that respective drive. All the timetables of the 4 years, you can see here. When probably you go here, all the 4-year timetable are available here. Similarly, brochure, all 5 years brochures are here, available, which I have uploaded in that particular drive. So like that, and affiliating university exam notifications, this also I have uploaded it in that respective drive already with the same kind of folder. So upon clicking this, links against these, indices are the description of these indices. It has to open the data of the required one, provided that they are available on that particular drive and the link must have been given here. Fine. So this way you need to prepare one covering letter for each of the criteria. So I instruct all the criteria heads to instruct their respective in charges to prepare the covering letters like this for each of their criteria, and after uploading the respective information in the drives, which I have just now shown, they can give their respective links here against this information. Fine. So and I wanted to show you where the old data is available. The old data is available, when you click on this CSC NAC reassessment 2021 plus, This is the new data which you are going to upload, as I said, right? This is the old data. So this basically carrying all criteria was information of 2 years, 1819 and 1920. Okay. So when you go to a respective criteria folder, you can find the consolidated information as well in its DVV. You can find B and MTech wise information is available. Okay, and then the older data, I mean, much older, I mean, before 1819, when we had gone for the NAC, actually, that information I have shared with all the criteria heads, actually. You can probably I have shared a while ago this all NAC CSE is the folder, actually which is available in my drive, and which actually I told that time all the criteria heads to upload their respective data. So in that it is available. Yeah, so this is the folder. This folder I have already shared with you. Here you can see criteria-wise information will be available of the old NAC, right? But then many of the criteria in charges that time, have not uploaded in its respective drive. I again, request them to upload that data must be available with them either in the pen drive or on their system or somewhere they must have stored it as a backup. So because entire information is not available here, as you can see, I told that time itself when I have probably you can see the date in which I created was long back. But then I am now again requesting all the old criteria and charges to kindly upload the information if not available. Like this is criteria 4 done by BB Ramana sir, and he has uploaded all the PDFs, but of course there are no TBBs in that, so he didn't do that. But whatever the information you had that time, fine, all that I want it to be uploaded again. This particular folder is shared with the new criteria heads and as well the criteria in charges who have been carried out those in the last NAC. So I request the criteria in charges those who have done past to upload their respective information in this particular drive, which help the new criteria heads to take the information of the old NAC, because from 1617 till 1718, 1617, 1718, data must have to be taken from the older NAC. So I request again the old NAC in charges to kindly upload their respective data in this particular folder, which I have already shared with new criteria heads and the old criteria heads. Fine. So, and do needful for all of us, create a corporate environment to execute our tasks much easier and better to finish off at the earliest as well. Thank you. And for any doubts, you can probably, contact me, Khare sir, and of course, Vijay Kumar sir. We are all available for you to give you any kind of help in this regard. Okay, thank you.